Welcome to Trendify, where we bring instant access to the hottest discussions across the country. With real-time trend tracking and summaries, we make it effortless to stay updated. Our news API integration ensures accurate and dynamic insights, so you can see what's shaping conversations at a glance. And with interactive comment sections, you can join the discussion and make your voice heard. Whether it's viral news, social movements, or entertainment buzz, Trendify keeps you in the loop. Now moving on to the product demo.
Okay, so for our product demo, I'll start off using the sign up feature. So for our sign up feature, there is 4 fields to fill: the username, the email, the password, and then confirm password. So it checks for valid email domains and whether your password confirms. For example, if you were to put in a email like that, then it will show that the password is missing. Then if you fill up your password, it will also check for your email whether it's valid or not. So there's also an option to sign up with Google, and this is done through Firebase. So next, moving on to the login feature, it checks whether through the the Firestore database, whether the email is within the database. If it's not, then it will show an error. So for example, I put a random email. It should show that it doesn't work. So if I were to put in a real email that I have registered before, it should work. Oh, sorry. Okay, then this leads me to the dashboard. Okay,
So you can see from this dashboard, it shows the trending articles from the United States. So there are top 10 articles in total. You can see at a glance, the title, and the time at which it is published. Ensure it's updated and relevancy. The articles are also hyperlinked, as you can see from the blue outline. And there's a button at the side for you to leave a comment. So clicking that button leads you to the comment section.
Okay, so it leads to the comment section, and the comment section is allows the users to leave a comment, for example, like that. And there's also features for you to reply to the comment. For example, this, or you can edit the comment if it's within 5 minutes and that the comment was originally posted by you. So there's also a feature to delete the comment, and this oh no. Yes, it's also possible if it's within 5 minutes and the comment was made by you. Then moving on, we have also added a new feature, the event summary feature. This event summary checks the article that was linked in the URL, and afterwards we use newspaper K to scrape the article URL, because our original API doesn't allow us to use the content due to copyrights issue. So after scraping the URL, I passed it through the transformer summarization model, and it generates this summary over here. So the users get to see a summary of the content before leaving a comment, giving them a better experience using this dashboard and comment section.
So how Trendify is different from similar platforms in that Trendify allows for integrated discussion and visualization. So you combine the real-time trend data in our dashboard and a dedicated discussion forum. So it allows for a one-stop platform for both information consumption and active participation. And we also provide AI-powered summaries, so it saves users time and helps them understand complex topics better, a feature not commonly found on other similar sites or general forums.
Okay, so moving on to the testing part, I conducted unit testing on all of our features. And for most of our features, the testing results actually matched the expected outcome. However, for a certain few testing, the results weren't expected. So for instance, when I was trying to upload a huge chunk of text into the comment form, it actually showed that the user details here was misaligned. And I found out that this was due to a bug in the front end. So what I did was to change the code to align the user details text to the left of the container. And another issue that I faced was the event summaries. Sometimes it will randomly show console errors. And I later found out that this was due to our API restriction that allowed a maximum number of tokens, and this was affected by the article size. So what I did was to try to restrict the article size and hence restrict the number of tokens that were passed in, and this helped to prevent the issue from showing again. Thank you.